Good evening, everybody, and Happy New Year from Norfolk, Virginia. We're here at the York Street parking garage. Got the tide down there, and I would like to have seen it, but I think it's closed today, although it should have been on a Sunday schedule. All right. We're going to be interested in another form of public transportation. Swimming pool and urine. I sent that one all the way down. I hope this one comes up. Sounds like it is. Because that one's got the fan on. It's quite nice little exclusive elevator lobby. Oh, never mind. This one has one too. The window's a little cleaner. All right. Just got some office space in the ground level. Pretty marginal looking elevator that just doesn't smell that good. Looks like there's been a leak or two. I guess it's a common thing around this area. All right, let's go back down to 3 where I am parked. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think those are PTL. Just because that gives any additional information. Not quite. Although a city inspection sticker probably means you can FOIA request all the elevators in the city. You all should do that more. Well, anyways, there it goes, and that's it.